Okay, Michael, I heard about these multi-sensors, this new technology for smart conditioning. Did you already test this in the LivingLab?
Yeah, hi Andrew, of course. That is one component of our system, smart condition monitoring system. And we actually tested it in the LivingLab, did some experiments on that, on the fermenter. And then we actually moved from there to our pilot projects and pilot customers where we equipped their equipment like pumps and steerers and main drives with those sensors. And we could manage to actually show them to avoid unplanned downtimes with that entire system.
Pilot project, you must be talking about Coca-Cola, right?
Oh, yes,
what a great
true.
project that was.
That's true. That was really a great project.
Tell me more about that.
Yeah, of course. So we actually proved them to have a return on investment less than 6 months with those systems, and they're actually quite happy with that. And they even think about expanding that project into other sites of Coca-Cola.
But it's the sensor, but you have using cloud, right? I think. So can you
Yeah,
explain
that's
more
true.
about how that works?
Yeah. So today everything happens in our IoT solution, MindSphere. That's our cloud ecosystem, and the data is going to be processed there. But of course, we also consider now our new part of the ecosystem, Industrial Edge, and we can even leverage the benefits of our customers with Industrial Edge by, for example, running some predictive models near to the shop floor instead of having them run in the cloud, for instance.
Right, Industrial Edge. So, Martin, I think that's what you're here to talk about. Show me this Industrial Edge device and tell me what this is all about.
Yeah, absolutely. Hi, Andrew. So, edge computing is a new technology driven by Siemens for data gathering, data calculation, data analysis, the storage of the data, and the display of the data. And it consists of 3 main parts. The first one is the Industrial Edge device, which have you in the hands. The second point is the Industrial Edge applications, which are running directly on the Edge device. The Edge applications bring the enhancements out of the data. And the third point is the Industrial Edge management for rolling out your applications, your updates, your security patches, and the updates of the operating system.
Okay, so all of Michael's data gets on here, and this is where the magic happens.
That's right.
Fantastic. Thanks very much.
Andrew.